Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0880-62, indicating an IG1 voltage correlation abnormality, specifically relates to the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This error arises when there is a discrepancy in the power supply voltage between the transmission control module, TCM, and other control units, which is communicated via the controller area network, CAN line. The TCM monitors the voltage levels it receives and determines that an abnormality exists if these levels fall outside the required range, subsequently storing the DTC for further diagnostics. Understanding the role of the TCM is essential, as this component is crucial in managing the transmission operation by receiving signals from various sensors and control units. When you encounter this DTC, it's imperative to follow a systematic troubleshooting approach to isolate and resolve the issue efficiently. The primary component involved with DTC P0880-62 is the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM plays a pivotal role in the vehicle's transmission system by receiving voltage signals from various control units and managing transmission functions. It is typically located in the under-dashboard area of the vehicle, making it accessible for inspections and repairs. When the TCM detects an unusual difference in the power supply voltage that it receives, it identifies this as a potential fault. The TCM's connection to other components via the controller area network, CAN, is critical in ensuring accurate communication among electronic modules. A clear understanding of these components and their locations aids in effectively diagnosing the root cause of the error code. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC P0880-62, starting with an open wire in the IG1 power supply circuit. This situation occurs when there's a break or disconnection in the wire, preventing the TCM from receiving correct voltage levels. Another possible cause is a faulty TCM itself, which may not be processing voltage inputs accurately due to internal malfunctions. Additionally, electrical connection issues such as corrosion, loose connectors, or damaged terminals can also disrupt the continuity necessary for proper voltage transmission. It's essential to systematically identify these issues during the troubleshooting process to rectify the error effectively. Symptoms associated with DTC P0880 can manifest in various ways. Drivers may notice transmission shifting issues, where the vehicle hesitates or fails to change gears at the appropriate times. Additionally, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential problem in the transmission system. In some cases, the transmission may become unresponsive, leading to a lack of power when attempting to accelerate. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial, as they can indicate further complications within the vehicle's transmission system if not addressed promptly. Being aware of these signs helps in taking the necessary actions to troubleshoot and rectify the issue. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0880-62 involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle for at least 13 seconds. This step is critical as it enables the TCM to receive and process voltage signals properly. During this idle period, observing the vehicle's electrical systems may help confirm operational status. The next action is to perform an IG1 voltage check, ensuring it falls within the manufacturer's specified range. This check is essential, as any deviation suggests a potential fault in the circuit or the TCM itself. By following this procedure, the technician can gather initial data crucial for further diagnostics. In the second troubleshooting step, the technician must disconnect the TCM connector and the under-dash fuse relay box connector. Disconnecting the TCM connector, which consists of 50 pins, is essential for examining the signals the module receives. This also involves disconnecting the under-fuse relay box connector, which contains 28 pins. These connections must be opened to adequately inspect and test the circuit for any faults or irregularities. Proper preparation is essential to ensuring safety and accuracy during the subsequent inspection. Following these disconnections, the technician is set to perform a thorough examination of the electronic systems involved. The third step involves inspecting the IG1 wire for continuity through a methodical approach. The technician must check the female terminals of both the TCM connector and the under-fuse/relay box connector. The goal is to ensure there is less than 1 ohm of resistance, which signifies proper electrical connectivity. If the resistance is significantly higher or continuity is absent, this indicates a potential issue within the circuit. Inspecting the female terminals for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections is also crucial. Any observed abnormalities should be rectified to restore functionality and allow for proper voltage transfer. Step 4 focuses on analyzing the resistance results obtained during the previous inspection. If the continuity test indicates abnormal resistance, it suggests a problem with the electrical circuit, thus triggering the DTC P0880-62. In contrast, if normal resistance is present, the issue likely resides within the TCM itself. At this stage, the technician determines whether to repair or replace the affected components. Whenever repairs are made, ensuring the integrity of the connections and the quality of the components used is imperative for long-term reliability. Comprehensive analysis during this step culminates in identifying and resolving the underlying issue that triggered the DTC. The final repair verification step is essential to ensure that the issue related to DTC P0880-62 has been resolved successfully. After completing all necessary repairs, the technician should clear the DTC from the vehicle's system. This process resets the vehicle's diagnostic systems, allowing for a fresh start. Following this reset, the engine should be started again, and the technician must observe the vehicle's performance closely. Monitoring for any recurrence of the DTC or related symptoms is crucial, as it ensures that the fault has been accurately addressed. Engaging in this verification process prevents potential future complications and bolsters customer confidence in the repair. Preventive maintenance is vital in minimizing recurrence of DTC P0880-62 and ensuring the optimal performance of the Honda CR-V. Regular electrical inspections are critical to catch any potential problems early on. Technicians should check connections frequently for corrosion, damage, or looseness, which can affect circuit performance. Using quality components during repairs and replacements additionally contributes to the vehicle's reliability. It's also advisable to periodically review and update vehicle software, as manufacturers may issue updates that enhance communication between vehicle systems. Engaging in these maintenance practices helps sustain the vehicle's functionality and reduces the likelihood of future DTC-related issues. In conclusion, addressing the DTC P0880-62 requires a systematic troubleshooting approach to successfully identify and rectify the root causes of the issue. Early identification of problems not only improves the vehicle's performance, but also enhances the driving experience. Maintaining electrical components and connections, coupled with performing regular inspections, plays a significant role in preventing future faults. Understanding the roles of the TCM and related components is crucial in both diagnostics and repairs. Following described steps ensures a comprehensive approach to fixing this error code, ultimately fostering reliability and safety in the Honda CR-V. Comprehensive knowledge of these practices equips technicians to tackle issues efficiently, leading to satisfied customers. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.